Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about how to fix mobile data or cellular data not working on any iPhone. So guys, do not wasting any time. So first of all, request of all uh, the viewers, subscribe and share my YouTube channel, and of course like our video. And if any problem, you please let me in the comments box, and do not wasting of any time. So first of uh, this fix this issue. So clean your sim card in the side of, and you must be clean. And second solution, check network setting. So open the setting and then click on general, and then uh, click on transfer and reset, and then click on reset option, and then click on reset network setting, and the given of iPhone passcode, and your problem will be solved. If this solution is not working on your iPhone, and then the solution other solution, you uh, check the installed software update are available in your mobile. So click on general and then click software update, and you must be update of your mobile. And then you this this issue is not fix your problem, and then the issue, then solution is then flight mode on your mobile 3 or 4 times, and your problem will be fixed. And this solution is not working on your iPhone, and other solution, restart your mobile, volume up button, volume down button, and press the power button, and this slide of power off, and then you will be not decrease the button you appears on the screen of Apple logo, and then your problem, mobile iPhone is restart, and your problem will be fixed. So hopefully, uh, guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget my subscribe and share my YouTube channel. See you in the next video.